You might recognize the Terro Fruit Fly Trap as the little red plastic apples sitting on everyone's kitchen counters during the summer. I finally bought a pack because my DIY vinegar bowls just weren't cutting it. And honestly, I now understand why everyone keeps buying them. The red apple design is actually pretty clever. It blends in near your fruit bowl instead of screaming, "We have a bug problem." Plus, there's a little window on the side, so you can check catch levels or see if the lure is running low without having to mess with or open the trap. The big question is usually how fast these actually work. For me, it was a matter of hours. I set it down where flies were, and they were hovering around it almost immediately. After a week, I looked through the little window and I was shocked to see over 100 flies trapped. The way it works is actually really simple. It just uses a food-based liquid lure that smells like fermenting fruit to draw them in. Once they go through those holes on top and hit the liquid, they're stuck. The active ingredient is 0.08% sodium lauryl sulfate mixed with vinegar and water. It's also non-toxic and safe to use around kids and pets, so you can leave it right next to your fruit bowl or your sink. Each trap lasts about 45 days, but the lure dries out faster, so expect fewer days of use. Fortunately, the pack comes with enough lure for 90 days total. Here's something worth knowing though. Once the liquid runs out, you don't have to throw the trap away. Some people refill them with apple cider vinegar and a drop of unscented dish soap, and it works just as well. For my space, I don't have a ton of flies, so I'm not as picky about placement. But generally, the closer you get to the breeding source, the better. So think fruit bowls, kitchen sinks, or trash cans. Oh, another important hack is to keep it away from strong airflow or a vent. You want that scent to stay concentrated in one spot so the flies can actually find it. And here's a weird bonus you won't see in the manual. These actually catch German roach nymphs too. I've seen people mention keeping one near their sink for a minor roach problem. Apparently, the nymphs wander in looking for moisture and get stuck in the lure. It's definitely not what it's made for, but it's a nice little side benefit if you're already dealing with pests.